bird nests that you will see for the first time. Number 1. Sociable weaver. The nest of this bird found in Africa is not just a nest, but a whole city, because they build a nest together and more than 400 birds can live in that nest. The nests of these birds are very strong and remain cool from inside in summer. Even leopards do not miss the opportunity to rest on these soft nests. Number 2. Tailor bird. You must have guessed from its name that it does not build a nest, but sews it. First of all, this bird takes a fiber and makes a hole in the leaf with its needle-like beak. Then it takes out the fiber from that hole and sews the leaf. And voila, the nest is ready. By the way, have you ever seen the nests of these birds? Do tell us in the comments.